So you know when you forget your username or your password, and then after multiple attempts to log in, you just don't get it, and then it logs you out? Yes, I did that. So let me show you the code. So you go to the Google search bar and type github.com, and then I'll say dashboard. Then you go to the left corner, click on the button, and go to code spaces. I'll scroll down and go to improved train. You go to the file and new text file that is right across it, and you click on select a language. Then I'll type Python, Python. Then I'll say print sign up. After that, you enter a variable called fills and equal to 0. Then I would say sign user equals to inputs, enter a username. And the sign code will be input to enter a password. After that, you print login. Then you do login underscore user equals to inputs, enter sign up username. So after that, you go to the while login user is not equal to sign user, then it will print wrong. Then fails will be plus equal 1. And then it will say login user equals to inputs, enter sign up username. And if fails is equal to 3, then it will print account locked. And then it would break. And then if login user is equal to sign user, print passwords. Then it will say login code equals inputs, enter sign up password. Then after that, you put the wow login code is not equal to sign code. It's a print wrong. And then fails will be plus equal 1. And then if fails is equal to 3, print account locked. And then break. Then if login code is equal to sign code, then print log in successfully as, then put a plus and say log in user. If you look through all this, it's really good so far. So now we'll run it. I'll call it alert.python. Enter a username, I'll say Denzel. Enter a password, I'll say test124. Enter a sign up username and you can say VE, wrong, VE. Account locked. After that, let's try the other way around. I'll say V and the EO. And then if I get everything right, it says wrong. Account locked. So you can see it, how it works. Now let's make it correct this time. So I'll do V and ZEO, V and ZEO. Logged in successfully as the username. So yes, this is how it works. So yes, that's it. You can also use Google Colab, which I actually used first, but the application wasn't running, so I switched to GitHub.